Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is medium, range is 700 and concept is tense plus logical meaning. Sentence begins with the results of the company's cost cutting measures are evident in its profit, which increased 5% during the first 3 months of this year after it fell over the last 2 years. Now, profit increased 5% during the first 3 months of this year. Remember people, whenever it is this plus time, it should be present perfect. For past simple, it should be that plus time. This plus time present and that plus time past. So this is incorrect tense with this adverb. Alright. So option A out. Option B, which had increased 5% during the first 3 months of this year. Same problem. This plus time should not be with past perfect or past simple tense. It should be that plus time. So had increased this year, no. Had increased that year can be the one of the possibilities. So option B out. Option C says which have increased 5% during the first 3 months of this year after falling over last 2 years. It's okay. Option C, with a 5% increase during the first 3 months of this year after falling over last 2 years. Remember, this is incorrect modifier. Why? Because when we use comma and then with, it is incorrect because with plus noun can be used without comma. So whenever we use preposition with any noun, we do not need any comma. So without comma, it should be profit with a 5%. Alright, so the first error is between noun and preposition, it should not be comma. Second problem, that what if we look at information, it says measures are evident in its profit with a 5% increase. It is not about profit, but it says measures are evident with a 5% increase during the first 3 months of this year, though the modifier should be profit that happened. All right, let me repeat the points what I said. Look at the sentence, cost cutting measures are evident in its profit with a 5% increase. It means measures are evident blah 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 with a 5% increase, means it is evident, it is not a profit. So this is incorrect modifier. All right, same problem with option E2. Both are incorrect modifier and that is why both are out. C remains best option. So in short, the point is what, whenever we connect any noun with preposition, we do not need comma and it is considered incorrect. So this is also one of the reason to eliminate option. So option C is the best option.